All right guys, sitting on the back of this 270 SDX, large sun pad here to enjoy the views, enjoy the sun. Nice large swim platform with sea deck. As you make your way into the cockpit, plenty of seating for a lot of people here. Great entertaining boat, island days, restaurants, sunset cruises, really nice. A small sink here. What you may want to use it for, co-pilot and pilot here, adjustable seating, and then the boat's going to be Simrad electronics, fusion radio, graphs, charts, depth finder, everything that you'll need right there at your fingertips. You got a small head on your port side. It does have the bow filler cushion to fill this in and become a nice large lounge. Armrest for each side, so you have forward facing lounges. Beautiful boat, ready to go. Come take a look at it here in our showroom at Panama City Beach MarineMax.